how can I kill wiregrass and monkey grass? I don't know what the actual grass name is, but it runs everywhere and is real wire. I like that. Patricia from Gastonia, North Carolina. So yes, she wants to kill wiregrass and monkey grass. So we're gonna go again to our turf expert here. What's wiregrass?
One of the things wiregrass is really the Bermuda grass and got into that in there. But whatever you decide to use on there, you might want to see what's in there, but whatever you use on there, I would start out small before I spread on there. I do a little small area just to make sure it don't kill my monkey grass in there, because you don't want to just spray it and it kill everything. But there is a herbicide that you can spray on there just to get rid of the, I want the Bermuda grass out of the wiregrass, the same thing, wiregrass, Bermuda grass out of your monkey grass in there.
Right. Sure. I like the fact she says it's real wire. Real
wire.
And I'll jump in here, Peter, for this one. So wiregrass, of course, Bermuda, and monkey grass. Monkey grass is not a true grass. It's a lily. It's in the lily family. It's a lily turf, right? So there are a couple of chemicals that you can use to spray over the top of the monkey grass that won't affect the monkey grass, like Ornament, Grass Be Gone, Fusilade 2. Right. So those contain active ingredients, right, that are selective. It only targets the Bermuda, but it releases everything else, right? So it releases the monkey grass. Just read and follow the label on that.
But I do like the test idea.
Test idea, just smell the area before you do all of it. You don't want to have, they read the label like he said,
Read
there might be a temperature gauge on there that you might want to use on there.
It definitely will be. And something else I would do too, you can just use the wipe technique. Right. You know, get you a piece of sponge, a little paintbrush or something like that, dip it in there and just kind of wipe it on there and just go that route. Instead of spraying everything. Right. And that will get down into the root systems, and this should take care of that way. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.